Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Really excited to be with you as always. How you doing? How's it going? How are those teen numbers going, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're focusing on mostly numbers 11 through 19, right? And the teen numbers are the ones where you say like teen. But we're really focusing on all the numbers between like 10 and 20. Okay, so, and we're also getting into bigger numbers this week, which is like really exciting. So we're going to start today by playing a game. I mean, why not, right? Let's have fun. This game is called Eliminate It. Have we played this before? I can't remember. But the object is to eliminate one thing. So let me show you what this looks like, okay? Super fun. Okay. So I have 4 things here. I have a bunch of connecting cubes, okay? And I have some dots in a double 10 frame, which we've been doing a lot with, right? Playing our 10 frame flash. And I have a number, it says 12. And I have an addition sentence, number sentence, that says 10 plus 2, okay? So, let me adjust this so you can see this better. Can you, let me try that differently. All right, good. So now you can see this whole thing. So here's the thing. All of these represent the same number, okay? Except one of them is like an imposter. If you've ever played that game Among Us, if you haven't, don't worry about it. But like one of them's an imposter. Which one should we eliminate? Because it does not belong. All right, so first, we'll do this one together, okay? And then the next one you guys can do more on your own. So let's look at all these cubes right here. So let's count. We have, how many green cubes do I have? They're called connecting cubes because they stick together, right? We have 1, 2, 3, count with me, 4, 5, 6, a little louder please, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 12 connecting cubes. All right, so that's good to know. That's 12. This is also 12, so those seem to go together. How much is 10 and 2 more? That plus sign means 2 more. Okay, that's kind of like a new thing for you, just to throw it in there. But that means 10 and 2 more. 10 plus 2. So 10 and 2 more is also 12, right? Because look, even you can see it right here. We have 10 greens and 2 more orange. By the way, orange is my favorite color. Is it yours? Probably not, but that's all right. It's my favorite color. So that's 12. This is 12, and this is 12. I wonder if this is the imposter. Dun dun dun. Let's take a look. Upon closer examination, we have 10 dots here. We know that, right? Because it fills up the 10 frame. And then we have 11, 12, 13. Oh, you are the imposter. Take it away. I shall shred it. Just kidding, I'm not going to shred it. All right, so good job. We found the imposter, right? We found the one to eliminate. Okay, so this time I'm going to do another one, but I want you to try and figure it out first. Okay? All right, so give me a second. All right, Shazam, we got a new set, okay? So take a look. All right, I had to break up the green and the orange cubes because I couldn't. Otherwise, if I put it on top, it's just I can't fit it in the camera. So I'm gonna break it up like this. Okay. So hopefully you can count those. Look carefully. All right. So how many cubes are there? How many are here, here, and here? And which one is the imposter? Dun dun dun. That's what we're trying to figure out. Which one should we eliminate? Right. Your parents might know it as like voting it off the island or something like that. Okay, so take a look. I will stop talking for a minute so you can look, and then we'll see what we got, okay? All right, any thoughts yet? If you're not ready to talk about it, if you still want to look at it, just pause the video. You know how to stop it, right? And then hit play when you're ready to join us, okay? All right, so let's take a vote. Who thinks we should? Who thinks that the double 10 frame dot cars are the imposter? Raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand if the number 15 is the imposter. Raise your hand. All right. Who thinks that the 10 plus 5 is the imposter? Raise your hand. Okay, who thinks the towers, the connecting cube towers, are the imposter? Raise your hand. All right, let's see. We've got up here, we started here, right? We've got 10 plus 5 more gives us, let's see, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I see a 15 here. And I know that 10 and 5 more gives me 15. Because look, 10 and 5 more, that's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I think the towers might be the imposter. We got them. Let's see. Now, how many greens are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see how many are over here. 11, count with me, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 16! You are the imposter. I shall take you away and throw you out the window. Just kidding. I'm not going to do that. But we found our imposter, right? We eliminated the towers because they were not 16. They were not 15. They were 16. These are all 15. All right. This is kind of like more fun than I could have imagined, right? Should we do one more? Obviously, we should. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do a little magic here. All right, looks like we got some new ones to look at. All right, very exciting. Little magic there, you like that? Little video magic? Okay, so we've got these cubes, okay? We've got our 10 frame dots. We've got a number, and we've got our addition sentence. So take a look, pause the video if you want, and we'll come back together in a little bit. How you doing? You want a little bit more time? All right. Take a few more seconds. Some big numbers in there, right? Yeah. All right. So if you need more time, why don't you pause the video? That's totally fine. That's great. If you need more time, that's awesome. That means that you're doing a good job. You're taking your time. All right. But if you think you're ready to go, that's fine too. Okay. So if you need more time, pause the video. All right. And then hit play when you're ready. Okay, so here we go. Let's vote, shall we? Who thinks that this is the imposter, right? We've got the dot card, it's the dots and the 10 frames, double 10 frame. Raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand if you think this number is the imposter. Okay. All right, raise your hand if you think this number sentence is the imposter. Okay, and raise your hand if you think the towers are the imposter. Oh, all right. Let's see what we got here. So, as usual, let's start up here. We have 10. It looks like we have 19, right? Because there's only one missing. And if that was filled in, that would be 20. And one less than 20 is 19. But let's just check. 10. Count with me, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I was right, 19. All right. Ooh, now this is an 18. 19 and 18. One of these guys, one of them is an imposter. I'm saying it right now. Well, all right, let's see what we got next. 10 plus 9. Is that going to be 18 or 19? I'm thinking 19, right? Because 10 and 9 more should give you 19. Here it is, 10 and 9 more. 18 is looking like it's in trouble. But maybe, let's see what's in the towers. So the green, as always, has been 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then here's the question. How many orange do we have? Let's count together. Ready? 11, 12. So, sorry, hold on, my fault. So we've counted to 10, right? 10. Now let's keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14. Louder, please. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, 19 is the winner. And 18, you have been voted off the island. You are the imposter. Everything else is 19. How dare you? Okay. I don't know about you, but that was like 10 minutes of the most fun I'm going to have all week All right, that was awesome. Okay, boys and girls, let's move on to the next thing for math time. I got another. We're gonna play with these towers. Okay, let's do some power of tower time. Here we go. All right, so boys and girls, what you need for our next phase of math is you do need your connecting cubes. Okay, your connecting cubes are probably different colors than mine, but you should have 2 sets of 10 connecting cubes that look just like this. It might be black and red or purple or blue or yellow. It doesn't matter, but get all of them out, okay? And for now, that's just what you need, okay? Just take those out, and we'll get started, all right? All right, so you should have those out. Pick one color like I have, and I want you to put all of them together and make sure you have 10, okay? And just lay that out just like I have. You have 10, okay? All right, so when you have that done, when you have all 10 together like this, then you can resume the video. If you need to stop it, then go ahead and stop it. All right, so make sure you've got all 10 like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, okay, is I've got a bunch of number cards here, okay? And you'll notice up top it says 10, here's my 10, and blank is blank. Well, we don't know what this number is yet until I flip it over. So I'm going to shuffle the cards. Okay. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle. And I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to get a 3. Okay. So now what I want you to do is with your other tower, your other color of cubes, is make 3. All right. And then put it underneath the 3. Like that. Just put it next to your other tower of 10. So you have a tower of 10 and a tower of 3. Now, how many cubes do we have? All right, that's the question. How many cubes do we have? So think about that. All right, so we have 10. Count with me. Okay, we're going to go 10. Now count with me. 11, 12, 13. And we write that like this. 13. Okay? Let's do one more, then I'll show you what you're going to be doing for your work, okay? All right, so let's take this 3 away. We'll erase this. I'm going to turn another card over and see what I get, all right? This time I got 8. Okay, so now I want you to keep this one. This one stays the same, okay? Keep this tower. Now build a tower with 8 cubes. All right, so do that now and come back when you have done that. All right, did you build your tower? Okay, so it should look like this. 10 and 8 is how much? Let's find out. So do this with me. We'll say 10. We know this is 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 and count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So again, boys and girls, are you noticing, right, that 10 and 8, this 1 represents the 10, and this 8 represents this 8. Okay, so we have 10. So this 1 is actually 10, and that 8 is 8, like this. All right? Okay. Oh, sorry, you can't see that because my head's in the way. So 18 is 1 10 and 8 1s. One group of 10, one tower of 10, and 8 more. Okay? That's what we're getting into. This is great stuff. You're doing a great job. All right, I'm going to show you what you're going to do now for your activity. All right, so boys and girls, you're going to need the connecting cubes that you already have out. Okay, you need your marker and eraser, which you often have. You're going to need this piece of paper, which is in your math packet. It says 10 and blank, right, is blank. And it has some towers. All right, and you want to put that into your dry erase sleeve. All right, so it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this. Okay, in your sleeve. Okay, so get that ready. This video is going to end soon. There's one more video that I want you to look at. It's not going to be a long video. It'll be a short video. But this video is about to run out, so I need to go to the next video. Okay? And then I'll show you what you'll be doing for your activity. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Make sure you get your materials, okay? Make sure you get this and your eraser, marker, and you already have your cubes. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Bye-bye.